Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by powering off and unplugging the Sony XM4. This prevents short circuits and false inputs. Next, remove the ear cushions gently, pull from the seam while supporting the cup. The pads snap off. Use a small Phillips screwdriver only if you must access internal screws. Otherwise, avoid opening sealed compartments to keep warranty intact. Place each part in order on your mat, so reassembly is straightforward. Once done, wipe exterior plastics, once with a slightly damp microfiber, to remove oils. You now focus on the speaker mesh and crevices where dirt accumulates. The how matters. Start dry to avoid pushing moisture into the drivers. Gently brush or use a dry swab across the mesh. Then if residue remains, use a swab barely dampened with 70% isopropyl to dissolve oils. For seams and small gaps, wrap a toothpick with microfiber and slide it along edges slowly. This prevents scratching. Make sure to let any damp areas evaporate completely before proceeding to electronics. You finish by reattaching the ear pads and securing any screws you removed. Press evenly until the pad clicks into place, because misalignment causes sound leakage. Power on and pair with your device, then play a test track at low volume to confirm both channels work. If you hear static or uneven sound, make sure the contact surfaces are dry and clean. Reset the headphones if needed. Troubleshooting tip: if one side remains quiet after cleaning, try a factory reset before pursuing repair or contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.